In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Copilot account. This can be very helpful when you want to declutter your online presence or simply decide you no longer need the service. So let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process. First, we're going to start by opening your preferred web browser. Once that's up and running, head over to Google. You can do this by typing Google into your address bar or simply entering the URL directly. Once you're on the Google homepage, type Microsoft Copilot into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Microsoft Copilot. Next, you'll need to locate the official Microsoft Copilot website within the search results. It should appear as one of the top links, and clicking on this will take you directly to the Microsoft Copilot homepage. Remember, being on the correct site is crucial to ensure the security of your personal information as we proceed. Once you've landed on the Microsoft Copilot homepage, look towards the bottom left-hand side of the screen. There, you will see your profile icon. Click on it, and a small menu or drop-down will appear, showcasing various options related to your account. Navigate through these options and click on your name. This step will take you to a more detailed view of your account settings. Now, within your account settings, look for an option that says Delete Account. This might be accompanied by an icon or additional prompt to ensure you are making a conscious decision to proceed. Clicking on Delete Account will start the process of closing your Microsoft Copilot account. Before we finalize this process, Microsoft might ask for confirmation. You'll typically receive a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to delete your account, as this action is irreversible and will permanently remove your data associated with the account. Be sure to read any additional information here, as Microsoft might outline what this deletion entails, such as loss of access to any saved data or preferences on the Copilot platform. Once you're totally sure about deleting your account, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This final step will initiate the permanent removal of your Microsoft Copilot account from their platform. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Microsoft Copilot account. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.